Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make some delicious oat flour maple pecan pancakes. These are perfect for a cozy morning breakfast or brunch, and they're super easy to whip up. Let's get started. First, let's talk about our dry ingredients. In a large bowl, sift together 1 cup of oat flour, half a cup of all-purpose flour, 1½ teaspoons of baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda, a 1/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Give that a good mix and set it aside. Now for the wet ingredients. In a separate bowl, whisk together 1 egg, 1 1/4 cups of buttermilk, and 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. Once that's well blended, whisk in 1 tablespoon of melted butter. Now combine your wet and dry ingredients, but don't overmix. The batter should be a little lumpy. Fold in half a cup of chopped toasted pecans. Make sure to save some for later. Let the batter rest for about 10 to 12 minutes. Heat up a large skillet or griddle over medium heat and brush it with some canola oil. Reduce the heat to medium-low. Using about 1/3 of a cup of batter per pancake, cook them in batches. You'll want to cook each pancake for 1 to 2 minutes until bubbles start to form, then flip and cook for another 1 to 2 minutes until they're golden brown. Finally, sprinkle the remaining pecans over your pancakes and serve with some extra maple syrup if you like. And there you have it, oat flour, maple pecan pancakes, perfectly fluffy and packed with flavor. Enjoy! If you like this recipe, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more delicious ideas. See you next time!